Hey everyone, it's Tyler, and today we're going to be showing you how to download Among Us on your Android device. It's a pretty quick, simple, and painless process, so we'll just go ahead and get into things here. The first thing we're going to have to do is navigate to the Google Play Store. So to do that, I'm going to swipe up to see all my apps, and then go to the folder I have it stored in. So I'll go ahead and tap on that folder, and then tap on the Play Store to go ahead and access it. From there, we'll have to tap on the search bar at the top of the screen, which will pull up our keyboard and allow us to search for any app. So we'll go ahead and search for Among Us. We'll click on the top option there to bring it up, and you can see it comes up right here with the install button. So if we go ahead and click on that install button there, it'll go ahead and verify it, and then start downloading, and from there we'll be able to get into the game. So once the game has finished downloading and installing, we can go ahead and close the Play Store to then access the game from there. So go ahead and press the home key at the bottom of the screen, bringing us away from the Play Store and back to our home screen. Once again, we'll swipe up to see our apps, and you can see down at the bottom of the screen there, we now have the Among Us game installed. So if we tap on that, it'll go ahead and bring up the game here, and you can start playing Among Us on your Android device. And the first time the game opens up, it'll have you download a bit of additional content, which is no problem. You just have to tap the accept button there. It'll go ahead and download those additional updates, and you can start playing from there. So overall, a pretty quick and simple process that isn't too hard to do. But if you have any other questions, go ahead and leave them for us down below. And of course, remember to subscribe to the channel for more helpful hints just like this one.